Hello guys, I was just gonna make a quick video here. So I have this model in Fusion 360, and what I found out is something I wish they could implement is what I would call it a negative fillet. A negative round fillet, because if you use a fillet on this edge, naturally it would only be possible to make an outwards fillet. What I really want is to make this fillet inwards. Sorry, because I want to make like a smooth circle here from this surface. Now the reason I put this is because I had to make the wall smaller, and when you then make it so small that you actually get an opening on the side here, because it's too small when you get it down to a certain width. So in this case the wall is just 1 millimeter. And I want to round the edges inwards. I don't want them to sort of stick outwards. Now the only way you can normally do this is by using fillets on inside corners. But if you fillet this one, you will only get it there in the middle. So the way I go around this is a small cheat. So you have to go and you have to do a chamfer first, because you have to remove that edge in a way. So you chamfer it and you bring it all the way back to the edge where there is nothing else, and then you just press OK. So now you have a straight side there, and you have two sides. What you can do now is that you can easily go in and you can do another fillet, but this time it will interpret it as sides that are going to give outwards round fillet. So when you then push and pull, I will get a round edge instead. And let's see if I can do 10. I don't think so. I will probably go with 10 since it was a 5. 8. So if it's an 8, it's not solid. If it's a 9, it's probably okay as a 9. Let's see what I get as a 10. I feel it's more compact as a 10. And then basically you can go in and you can do this on sorry, I have a cough. You can just do the same process on all the corners like that, and then you just modify the other one you had like this. So that is how I figured out how I could make it sort of inwards. It's a bit of a cheat, but I wish that Autodesk could make it so that you could make a negative fillet. So instead of filleting always around outside, it will be possible to change the direction of the fillet so it goes inwards instead. So when you push or pull it, it will go inwards into the object. So if you have a square, you could basically make the lines go inwards. Like the edges could be folded inwards, not outwards always when you do a fillet. Haven't found any way to do this in Fusion except for doing it like this. So I don't know if anyone at Autodesk view my videos. I really don't think so, because I'm so small. But if they do, negative fillets would be really sweet. So yeah, that's basically it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Oh, like and subscribe if you like this video.